Hello. In this video, we're going to go over how to create a mod pack in Prism for Cobblemon on Forge. First thing we're going to do is click this Add Instance button in the top left, and it'll give us the opportunity to name our pack. I'm going to be unoriginal and go with Cobblemon Forge. I'm going to ignore the group. I'm going to click on for this recording. The latest version of Cobblemon is 1.5.2 and it uses Minecraft 1.20.1. Since we're using Forge, I'm going to select the Forge mod loader and just go with whatever they give me here. I'll hit OK, that'll create my new pack. Cobblemon isn't in it quite yet. Let's right click it and click Edit. This gives us the opportunity to click on the mods list over here. And off to the right, click Download Mods. Here we can search either Modrinth or CurseForge for Cobblemon. If we click on it, we should get versions. But I have had an issue specifically with Prism on Modrinth for versions the last couple days, so I'm going to hop over to CurseForge and do the exact same thing. There's my versions. I want to select the mod for download. This is the latest version. And I'll click Review and Confirm. You'll notice that two things pop up here, even though I only selected Cobblemon and Kotlin for Forge. In this case, Cobblemon is what I want, but Kotlin for Forge is a dependency. It is required in order to run Cobblemon. So I'll hit OK, let it do its thing. And once that's done, we can get on out of here. Actually, we can click the Launch button, the bottom right. And once that's done, we can click Continue. I'm going to go ahead, turn the master volume off, hop into a single player world. And once that's done, we should see check out the starters, press the M key in the top right. If I click the M key, I'll go ahead and go with Bulbasaur, my trusty friend here. And there he is. No shiny though, dang it.